Baddies, welcome to this week's vlog. It's Deshandria, and of course we have to thank our sponsors Just Meats for sponsoring today's video. Just Meats is a heat and serve subscription company, all fuss and all flavor. When I tell you Just Meats has changed my cooking style, whether it's from everyday meal prep or quick and easy dinners to serve my family, Just Meats has been right on time. Use code Deshandria at checkout for $35 off your order now. Wherever you go and whatever you do, you'll be blessed. Deuteronomy 28:6. Hi, Blessed Baddies. It is Vlogtober. Honestly, y'all, cut it. It is October 29th. I am so sorry. I know I left y'all hanging on like October 20th, but life was lifing. I had a lot of things going on. Y'all know I lost my car this month. Yeah, and I just got a lot of other personal things that's happening this month as well. So I hope that you enjoy today's vlog. It is going to be a all-inclusive vlog of just some things that happened recently in the past that I did not get to add. So this vlog will be the end of Vlogtober. It is also just to wrap up some content that I had before. It is Hurricane Helene footage, also footage from when I went and saw Tyler Watts perform in Atlanta. It's also some hurricane footage, Tyler Watts footage, some hauls, just me shopping at home in Home Goods. And yeah, so I just hope that you enjoy today's vlog. I'm so sorry that Vlogtober ended like this, but I promise you, I got you for Vlogmas. In November, we're bringing the heat. I mean, content. If I have to, I don't know. I'm gonna make it happen. But I also want to say, join me live October 31st for the giveaway drawing. Be there or be square. Mwah. Happy Vlogtober, and I hope you enjoyed it and enjoy the rest of the vlog. See you next time. Girl, don't you log off. The vlog is not over. The vlog is not over. Enjoy the vlog. Thank you. Alright guys, we are at home. I love that, but for $29.99, no. Let's see if I can find something cheaper. But I am looking for, oh yes, that's what I'm looking for. Hey, why did they, yo, $8.99. Wait, one is $9.99 and one is $8.99. I'm gonna compare and see how much they are on Shein. And we're gonna go from there. Oh, those little link chains are so cute. I came in here for a vase for my pot, so let's see. Okay, they have the David thing. Let's see how much he is. He was like 15 at home. I mean, it might have been more than that, but he's $20 in here at home. I don't know. Let's see. Somebody got us some makeup brushes. Okay. I need something to put my pampas grass in. It smells so good in here. This is $20, $19.99. There's some more candle holders. places having like Christmas and Halloween out yet, and I'm still furnishing. I'm not ready for Christmas or Halloween yet. Oh, definitely gonna check them out. Those are cute. Hi, Baddies. All right, we just went to Pop Shelf and At Home, and I went to Longhorns. So this is the little OOTD for the day. I just put on a pink dress. I didn't even put on my waist trainer because I was literally trying to get in and out the house. Just do my updo that I love with my gold claw clip. Those are the details. We have on our normal stack, which is a gold Coach bangle and my toy birch and my cute little gold Amazon ring, and then I just put on this layered gold chain, lip gloss, no beat, just glasses, my Gucci glasses. But yeah, so let's get into what I bought. We're gonna start with Pop Shelf. Okay, so for Pop Shelf, they really didn't have much of what I wanted. Most of their stuff is like, what they had was Halloween, Christmas. I'm not ready to get into holiday decor yet, so I really didn't find much, just some knickknacks, honestly. I got this cute gold stainless steel reusable straws, and it comes with a self-cleaning brush. This was $4. And y'all know I have Dulce, so I have this pet hair remover dryer balls. Needed that, so you just pop these in the dryer when your clothes is drying, and it removes all the dog hair. Listen, by that, love my little stinker butt, but listen, I just the dog hair be everywhere, and I'm sick of it. Not sick of it though, because he is so cute, and I've been dragging my feet because I've been taking him to the groomer, so I've been washing him and cleaning him myself, me and Destiny, because I don't want them to shave him and he like a little naked mole rat. I would cry. Okay, so I'm PMSing. I think we like 2 days away, so I got Snickers and Reese's, just something really, the mini versions to pop in my mouth. This whole pack is 330 calories. This whole pack is 340. It says 3 pieces is 130 calories, and then for 3 pieces 130 calories. So yeah, that's all I got. They were $1 each from Pop Shelf. I spent $11 at Pop Shelf. Really cute, real simple. Footage from Pop Shelf deleted itself or whatever, so y'all didn't get a chance to see me walking around. I'm not understanding how that even got deleted, but I'm still trying to figure out logistics on working with my camera. Okay, so yeah, I've been looking for candle holders for these cute little pink candles that I got at Walgreens that y'all seen before, and I found these. Not truly what I wanted, because I wanted like the tall skinny candle version, but listen, when you pray for something and God delivers, we don't ask no questions, okay? This was $19.99. I got this for $9.99, and when I saw the price of the little gold, the long candle sticks, they were $9.99 for one. I got 6, which is, I believe, how many candles I have. So God was looking out. This is a blessing. I literally I got 6 for the price of 1. Like, yeah. Thank you. At Home. Okay. Y'all already know this is bougie on a budget. I am gonna go to the clearance section. If it has a red sticker on it and I like it, I'm gonna get it. And it's crazy because all the stuff that I bought kind of matches my outfit. So funny. Alright, so this is also from At Home. I spent $42 in At Home. I got this beautiful pink vase because my house needs a pop of color. It's literally silver, white, gold. You know, my room is literally cream. It's cream and gold. So, and I used to have my pink pillows on my bed, and I think I'm gonna put them back on my bed because right now it's just a little too bland. And I think the pink and gold stuff that I have in my living room, I'm gonna put in my room because yeah, I found this and I got 2 of them. It was 50% off of $24.99, so they were $12. Like, look at this, so pretty. Okay, some of them are cracked, but honestly it's not that noticeable. This is heavy duty. This is pink mosaic tiles. Like, look at that. Literally, it was just, okay, I'm gonna say literally like 5,000 times. It was staring at me as soon as I walked in, and I just had to get it because pink is my favorite color by way of red. Pink, red, white, and gold, and black. Those are my favorite colors, so yeah. Had to get it. Y'all know about that pampas grass a while back. I think I showed y'all. I really don't remember. But I bought some tall pampas grass, and I just needed like vases to put those pampas grasses in. So yeah. So cute. Literally 2 for the price of 1. Like, God was blessing me. When I tell you, before I go in somewhere, I know like what I'm looking for, and I send up a little prayer and ask God, you know, can they be on sale? Ask and you shall receive. Okay. All right, this is the last item that I got from At Home, which was also on sale. Duh. Y'all know I am a baddie on a budget. And of course, it was 50% off too. It was $9.99 originally, and I got it for $4. It's just a cute pink and gold planter. So my room, I'm just gonna go ahead and switch it to pink and gold. Pink, gold, and cream. Yeah, so that was just, you know, just a little mini haul. And let me give y'all another little bougie on a budget tip. All right, Longhorns. Okay, just so y'all know, I ain't lying. I ain't got no reason to lie. Let me hold up my information. Okay, yeah. That's so funny. Thank you, Lord. God just gave me a little message. He just loves me. I love little messages. Oh, and another one. Okay. Anyway, my messages. Let me get into it. Let me teach y'all something real quick. 999 is a spiritual number. It's an angel number. So that was on my receipt. So when I see the angel numbers, I'm like, okay. I've been seeing 999, 444, and my birthday all day today. So, well, when I went out, 444 was on someone's tag. 999 is how much my kids' sirloin steak cost at Longhorns. And I just saw my birthday because that was literally the total of everything that I just paid, which is interesting. Okay, so when you go to Longhorns, right, I would always order the Renegade. The Renegade 6-ounce steak. That is normally $15.97, I believe, on Longhorn's website, right? Okay, $15.97. I'm gonna add on, girl. I'm gonna add on extra stuff. So I got the kids sirloin steak with Parmesan crusted chicken cheese. So that's $2.49. So I added My steak itself, steak was $9.99. So you get a steak and a side. So you can leave it at that and you just pay $10 for a steak meal. I'm an add-on girl. So I added on the steakhouse mac and cheese, which was $2.99, and then I added on Parmesan crust, which is $2.49. So yeah, and then it comes with a drink. Like, if you didn't, they don't want me to tell y'all this information. Okay, so if you just order the kids meal, it's literally the same meal as the Renegade 6 ounce, except for you're gonna lose a side. That's it. You're gonna lose a side. So you can literally add on a side for $2.99 and still be at $12 versus $15. Okay, that's my little bougie on a budget tip for today. And then I got spicy chicken bites and a blue cheese, because if you pay for that Renegade, and you still have to pay for a drink, so let that marinate. That's my bougie on a budget tip. Now, when you're out with a man and he's got money and he paying for it, don't order no kids meal. But if you're on your own dime like me, free game. Yeah. But tonight was a good little night, you know, lots of cute items that I purchased and picked up. I'm ready to eat, guys, so yeah, let's get into that. I'm not gonna eat dinner with y'all tonight because I'm tired of y'all. Somebody literally commented on one of my videos and basically called me fat, and I don't appreciate that, because you don't know what people go through with their weight. You don't know what people are going through. Like, yeah, so you don't have nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. All right, got it. Good. Welcome to all of the 270 people that have subscribed. Like, I'm so grateful. Last month in August, I gained so many subscribers off one video of nachos, and I didn't even show y'all me making the nachos, and it went viral. That's what they say. Low effort content goes viral quicker than effort content. Like, that's crazy. But my friend is retiring from Publix. That is so good. She's an actress, and she does really good content. I'm gonna put her name up there. We literally met last year. It's so crazy. I have so many, like, I don't want to call it industry friends, but friends that are like in acting or the music industry or modeling and things like that. And I'm just excited for them, yeah, to be doing their thing and elevating. So yeah. Ooh, all right.
A few moments later.
Guys, why did I like her post and 123 was the angel number? I just cried because I'm going through things, and God is just letting me know that He got me. And it's not that I question whether He has me or not. I know that He got me, but it's just the small reminders that I'm still here with you. I got you, girl. All right. I just love God. You know, I just love God. Do you love God? What's wrong with you? Do you look? Because I love God. What's wrong with you? All right, I cannot wait to wear this and I don't have no pudge. Y'all keep talking about my little pudge. Watch this. 3 to 6. I ain't even giving myself 6 months. I'm gonna give myself 1 month. I'm gonna go vegan for a whole month and come back a whole different person. And we're only gonna eat pescatarian after that, okay? I mean, I have a sponsorship with Just Meats, so I'm still gonna have to eat meat, clearly. But yeah, I'm ready to be va-va-voom, va-va-va-shit. All right, okay. That just gave me, because I was a little sad in that last clip, but the guy said, hold up, pump your brakes, honey, because who they think touching out my anointing do my prophet no harm? Talk about your mama, not me, all right? Steakhouse mac and cheese, 10 out of 10. get some stuff, some hurricane. We didn't make a list though, but we're gonna get cereal, milk, soda, stuff like that. Y'all know how we do, We just got some eggs, our usual. This is how we do hurricane prep. Nothing too fancy. Not a lot of food because you don't want your food to go bad. You want to buy like hundreds of dollars worth of stuff, and then power goes out. Power, right? Okay, so we got some honey wings. Relish, lots of tuna, golden round crackers, some mayonnaise, 3 cases of water, and 2 cases of soda, and some milk. The milk. There we go. Yeah, nothing major, just some quick light stuff that you can make. We're gonna make chicken salad, tuna salad. We got oatmeal already, and I didn't buy any bread, but yeah, just something really cute, real light, real simple, easy meals. We got a lot of Just Meats. Praying my Just Meats don't go bad because I have a lot of Just Meats in my freezer right now. So yeah, well, my head hurt a little bit. Had the air on 61 all night, so all of us got the sniffles. The sniffles are going around because it's cold. You want to talk to you?
Hello.
And here's Destiny. I'm gonna let her.
My birthday vlog.
Yes, her birthday vlog will be out before this one. Definitely. Hi, my Baddies. It's the next day, and I'm about to make some boiled eggs because I'm going to make angel eggs in the air fryer. So I'm about to boil the eggs. I saw on YouTube that you just preheat your air fryer and then pop the eggs in for 15 minutes at 270 degrees. So let's do that. Let's try it out. How many eggs? I think I'm just gonna do 6 because that should give me 12 angel eggs. Yeah, we're gonna go from there. I had my air fryer preheating at 270, so let's drop those in. Washing dishes, so yeah, excuse that. But Got that started. I'm about to make some roasted chicken breasts by Just Meats. Use code Deshandria for $35 off your order. I'm making yellow rice. I already had some yellow rice. I just froze it. I'm just thawing it out. And I got my broccoli and herb roasted chicken in here. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna do deviled eggs on the side. So angel eggs, yellow rice, and broccoli, and then the chicken breast. Real simple, real quick meal. Something light. Something light but good, you know. I should do some more because I want to make I want to do a salad for tomorrow, so I'm gonna pop 2 more eggs. Okay, so I just popped 2 more eggs in there. That'll give me enough to, now I got 4 if I want to do scrambled eggs for later on this week, but probably not going to. I don't know. But yeah, how's y'all's days going? It's really quiet. We've been watching this hurricane like crazy. It just amped up to a category 3. Like, I don't know. It's going 20 miles per hour, but the winds are 120 miles per hour. So that's crazy. Like, it's moving really slow. It's gonna be very interesting to watch. I don't have that much. I don't know. I don't want to talk too much about it, guys. We'll talk about it. We'll see how everything goes. So this video will be this week and next week. But I just thank God we're not in a flood area, a flash flood area. So praise God for that. It's kind of high up. So yeah. All right. Just thinking about it, it's just I just got 444. Look at that. See it? It's 445 now, but it was 444 a few minutes ago. So yeah, God is just letting me know this is gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right. We're gonna be safe. Our family's gonna be safe. So yeah. Oh, let me show y'all. I'm about to make everything in my new beautiful. So I have the beautiful collection by Drew Barrymore. I have the air fryer. Let me go get my skillet. This is it. It's a 5-in-1. I just like gadgets. I love kitchen gadgets. Let me put these eggs up. But yeah. So the skillet is a 5-in-1 skillet. So I think I'm gonna make do the rice first. Only thing I don't understand is how am I gonna wash it, because the skillet itself, like how do I get, this? Yeah, I don't know. with like this part. So I guess I can just like rinse it and then go from there. It's brand new, so I just washed dishes. I'm about to rinse it out real quick. Just get a napkin. I missed y'all. I really missed y'all. I know y'all missed me. And this video probably not going out till next week, so yeah. I need to this meal is gonna be made into a short. But I'm definitely gonna show the short. I don't know. It'll be a short. So you'll see it as a short first, and then you'll get this vlog for sure. first little bite with y'all. So yummy. Oh yeah. The herb roasted chicken breast by Just Meats. So tasty. You don't have to do much. 10 out of 10. This is my first time doing it regular. The last time I did that herb roasted with the creamy sauce. This time we're doing just plain herb roasted. And it is so good. I'm gonna have to get me another little scoop because yeah. 10 out of 10. Hi, Baddies. Welcome back to another week of Vlogtober. I just finished doing some content. I need to clean up, so that's what I'm about to do really quick. And yeah, so y'all get to see me do that. Just did a really big campaign shoot with Estee Lauder. I just finished eating and I got my waist trainer on, so if I sound winded, that's why. Yeah, that's why. Still no car, still carless, but it's okay. God is providing. God always provides. And today is my anniversary. It's my anniversary of being unemployed. Because yeah, I have been a content creator slash YouTuber slash influencer for a whole year. Today marks the day that I turned in my CPI badge and picked up this camera and said, you know what? I'm gonna work for brands, and it's time for me to work for brands. It's time for me to build my Instagram presence, my YouTube presence. I really be trying on TikTok. We're gonna try again next month. We're gonna try again next month. Even if I have to create a whole new TikTok account and just start fresh, we will do that. Because I mean, it's hard to grow when you have people in your account and they don't want to see you grow. They don't like anything. They don't post. They don't comment. They don't do anything. They just swipe up when they see your content. That's so hard, you know, heart-wrenching. Like, that's hard to deal with. So anyway, yeah, but yeah, I did this quick little beat by Estee Lauder. I'm wearing the double wear stay in place foundation. But I tell you, I didn't know it was the #1 foundation in America, but it is, and I can see why. I can see why. This foundation, chef's kiss. She eats. Watch the post that I'm gonna make for them in shorts, but truly 10 out of 10 foundation. I ran out of my Lancome and this Estee Lauder came in right on time, and it's a matte finish. I've never owned a matte finish foundation until now, and I was missing out. I didn't know. I was truly missing out. I look so beautiful. I'm giving retro with this little, you know, y'all know I love a good comb over flip. If I'm not doing my signature middle part, it's always this. I love a good flip, okay? I don't know why, but I just do. I really wish I could curl my hair. Y'all saw how that looked? That was just flipped with the curl. When I actually sit down and curl my hair, it's gonna be so cute. But anyway, hi, those baddies. So I had to change because I just need something that I can, like, you know, move around and breathe and clean my kitchen. So let's clean this kitchen really quick. I have to go. So let's go ahead and clean this kitchen up really quick. We're gonna do a quick little speed clean. We just ate Domino's. I'm probably just gonna put everything in the dishwasher, honestly, and wipe the counters down. That's what I'm gonna do. Nothing crazy, nothing major. Okay. this trash out. Organized. Just not today. Wash your hands. Literally don't eat off these because they're for when I have guests over. Literally, I have them up on the highest shelf. Somebody decided to take them down. Thank you so much, Just Meats, for sponsoring tonight's video. Mwah! So see you later, guys.
See you later. Thank you, Just Meats. I love the food. It's so good.
Peace out.
See you later, baddies.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.